In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add subtitles in multiple languages to your film or video in 2 minutes. Let's get started. Subtitles have multiple functions. They help spread content in different languages, reaching a broader audience, and they also increase audience retention significantly. Fortunately, AI has revolutionized subtitle creation, so it is not a tedious job anymore. As a video or film editor, there are a bunch of tools to use for auto-generating subtitles. For example, DaVinci Resolve also has a built-in subtitle generator. However, the tool I'm going to show you now can also auto-translate the video and generate the subtitles from any and into any languages. And this tool is the subtitle editor in the UniConverter. So in case you don't have the UniConverter yet, download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Okay, go ahead and open the subtitle editor. It's featured on the Hot Tools page. Next, import the film or video you would like to generate subtitles for. Next, click on the Auto-Subtitles Generator. Here, you can choose the original language of the video. It will also detect it automatically if you're actually unsure. Moving on, choose the translated language. If you don't need multilingual subtitles, you can skip this step, but otherwise, once you did that, there is the option to choose bilingual subtitles. With this option, you'll have subtitles in the original language as well as in the translated one. Next, choose the translation mode. It can be speed or quality priority. Speed is also really good, just a tiny bit less refined than the quality option. Here, you may choose how many characters you want per line, but unless you know for certain, the default value is a good option. You may also turn on AI reflow, which will help keeping the subtitle lines more aligned with meaning and readability. Finally, click on Generate. The tool will now generate the subtitles. When they're complete, switch over to the Appearance tab where you can give them a unique design. You may choose from presets, there is quite a few to choose from, or you can create your own style with the modifiers. If you choose to create your own style, you may save it as a preset as well. When creating bilingual subtitles, you can design the style for both languages individually. Okay, looks good so far. Well, when you're done styling, just click on Export. In the next window, choose the output setting. You can save the subtitles in a separate file by choosing the SRT option, or export the video in an MP4 file with the subtitles burnt in on it. Finally, click on Export. And we're done. Let's briefly look at the results. Looks great! If you found the video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. I'm going to thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.